SQL. So far, we have been selecting the elements ourselves manually, practically one by one. But QGIS offers a faster and more automated way through conditions such as, for example, the search for municipalities with an area greater than 100 square kilometers. This tool uses the SQL programming language in its simplest form. In the Layer panel, we mark the layer in which we want to make the selection, and between the Deselect All and Select By Area icons, we find another drop-down menu. We choose the Select Features under the Expression tool that has the epsilon icon. In the new window, we find three parts. The left part is used to write the expression or the thematic condition that we want to be fulfilled. In the central part, there is a list of commands or functions. And in the right part, we find the help or explanation of the functions. We have already verified that the information on the area of each of the municipalities is within the area_km field. Our condition will then be that we must only select the rows of the table where the value of the area_km field is greater than 100. For this, we look for the drop-down of Fields and Values in the central column, and with a double-click, we select area_km. This is displayed with double quotes in the expression section. Behind this expression, we write the upper symbol and the same value of 100. Below the expression section, we can see the text that says Output Preview of the output. When the expression is valid, a value appears. It can be 0, a mean, or so on. In the opposite case, expression is invalid appears in red that tells us it must be reviewed. By clicking the Select Features button, 65 municipalities are marked on the map with an area greater than 100 square kilometers, which can be seen in the Layers attribute table. Likewise, we have the 65 elements selected in the table, and if we select Show Selected Features, we can see that only the values greater than 100 appear in the area_km column. To ensure that we have not forgotten any municipality that meets the condition, we change to Show All Features. We can sort the table according to the area and look for the dividing line between the selected and unselected elements. We can see that only the municipalities that meet the condition are selected. At this moment, if we would like only the municipalities selected that have not met the condition, we would use the Invert Selection button, and that would obtain the selection of all the municipalities with an area less than 100 square kilometers. But this type of selection is not limited only to numerical values. We can also select all of the municipalities that belong to the Department of Santa Ana. This variable has the name DEP_NOM. We deselect everything and enter the Select Feature by Expression again. In Fields and Values, we select DEP_NOM with a double click, and in the Expression section, we click on the equal operator. Common sense tells us that we only need to type the name of the department, but the message tells us that the expression is invalid. We then delete the text of Santa Ana and click on the All Unique button on the right side. This button provides us with a list of all the values within the DEP_NOM field. We select Santa Ana to have an exact match, and in the expression section we can see the difference. Now the text Santa Ana is in single quotes and the preview gives us an answer. Remember that the names of the fields are always between double quotes and the values of these variables always between single quotes. Numbers do not need quotation marks, so can be entered without them. We click on the Select Features button, and in the table we check that they have been selected correctly. Until now, we have used only one condition at a time, but the program also allows us to combine them. We can, for example, select all the municipalities that have a surface area of less than 20 square kilometers, and also those that have an area more than 100 square kilometers. Or select all the municipalities of the Santa Ana department with an area of less than 20 square kilometers. In order to make these selections, we need to use the operators or and. Or we could take to mean that one of the two conditions must be fulfilled, and would be they must both be fulfilled. In fields and values, we select area_km and write less than 20. This is the first part of the condition. Now we write the OR operator, and again we select the area_km field and we write greater than 100. In this way, we are telling the program to select the municipalities that have less than 20 square kilometers or those that have more than 100, one or the other. We confirm the selection and check the attribute table. We deselect everything and go on to the second example. Select all the municipalities of the Santa Ana department with an area less than 20 square kilometers. We enter select features by expression, and in fields and values, we select DEP_NOM. We introduce the equality operator or write the equals symbol. Click on the All Unique button and select Santa Ana. The first part of the condition. Now we write the AND operator. We select the area_km in fields and values, and we write less than 20. So we are saying to the program, look for the municipalities that are from the Santa Ana department and, at the same time, those that have less than 20 square kilometers. We confirm the selection and verify in the attribute table that only one municipality has actually been selected that meets both conditions at the same time. One of the goals of selecting items may be to export them. If we select only the municipalities of the Department of Santa Ana, with the right click on the layers in the layer panel, and we select the export option and save selected features as, we can save the selected elements as a new layer called Santa Ana Department. We just have to make sure that it is an ESRI shapefile, that the CRS is correct, that the Save Only Selected Features box is activated, and that we can save it. A new layer is displayed on the map, which represents only the Department of Santa Ana, and in its table we can see that it contains the same characteristics as in the layer from which we have exported it.